We are outside McDonald's and it's currently 7:44 a.m. and look at the line. Yeah. Say hi.
We're currently waiting for McDo to open.
Because I'm hungry. Coffee.
I woke up around 5:30.
I woke up at 6:41. Because she called me.
What are we gonna buy?
I'm buy the Upper Box Limited. Ran out of seats.
We're gonna go to Jenna. It's getting longer and longer. We're waiting for Shin.
Shin, where are you? 8:02 and we're still outside.
Here.
Still outside McDonald's. And look at the line. Look at the line.
Look at the line. And we're not even falling in line.
Because we're hungry.
Yes, I just want coffee.
And I want burger. Because burger is life.
Sabi ko dapat sa'yo dapat agahan natin.
Malay ko bang kala ko kaunti ng pili.
Kasi magkukunwari kaming pupunta kami sa SM
Hypermarket. Para mauna kami. Ganon yung ginawa namin sa X-Solution. Kung ano magbabayad kami sa customer service. Para makapasok namin sa... I'm walking on sunshine.
Yorubanan niya kasi I'm alone. He asked me where am I going because the mall is still closed and I don't know, we're still not allowed to fall in line. So I told him, punta ako sa hypermarket. So shit, the hypermarket is still closed. Look.
Yeah, I'm wearing slippers. And I'm gonna check if the entrance will open at 10 a.m.
Talk to me. Shit, Celine, where the fuck are you? As I am now with Celine. Oh my god, I swear
We're the only ones here.
Yes.
Kasi nung may mga pinapasok, pinalabas sila. Then sabi ko lang, babayad ako sa hypermarket.
Kasi ganyan yung nangyari sa amin sa X-Solution.
So ganun lang din ginawa namin ngayon.
Antay pa rin namin si Shin hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin siya. So yes, okay, babalik kami mamaya.
She's talking with Shin. Ayaw papasukin si Shin.
Naglalakad ka na. I am now finally with Shin.
Hi.
Hi guys, I'm with Shin. Kami ng hyper kasi bawal pa dun sa bentahan ng ticket. Nauuna si Celine. Doon. Ito na siyang shopping bag. Yes.
Signing up!
Wala. Kailangan ba? Operation Planning and Control Insurance Monitor. E+ promo.
Hi! Okay.
Okay. Nakaupo na kami, so ililista muna namin yung ticket na bibilhin. Ano ba ilalagay ko?
Grabe, pang number 14 na us.
Ano ba ilalagay ko? Puro yung... Hi vlog! Update, it's 9:57. And we're still here.
Oh my gosh, you see the kid.
9:58. We're still here. Hindi pa kami nakakabila ng ticket.
Oh my gosh, may nakilala siyang friend. Hi, magbablog kami. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog.
It's starting! It's starting! Nakakakaba. What is calm? What is chill?
Pumila kuya, pumila kayo.
What is calm? I don't know what is calm. Look.
10:11! Ubos na ticket!
Wala na upper box limited. Yun yung dapat bibili namin. So, wala na upper box limited. So, tatawagin daw ba yun eh? Pero bingi ako, baka hindi ko marinig. Bahala.
Wala na kami maaabutan!
Anong name mo, ate?
Brielle!
Ikaw, ate?
Bain ko.
Vlog. Ano name mo, ate? Andrea. What's your seat? Vlog! What's your name?
Paul.
What's your name, ate? What's your name?
I'm Clarice.
Hi!
Hindi ko kabisado yun.
What are you feeling right now po?
At bumabalik na ako sa pagkasadness.
30 update! Army! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Yay! Ang bilis! Yes! Uy na! Ano to? 15? Ay, tama?
Ate, good luck po.
Oh.
Bye, see you.
Good luck! Meron na kami na yun. Bye! Bye-bye!
Hey girls. Yes! Nakabili na kami. Feeling ko magkakatitigan kami ni Jungkook.
Ako din.
Gen Ad stage. Oh,
Babato ko sa kanya yung regalo ko.
diba? Oo.
Sobrang abo.
Okay, so see you guys. See you on July 30.
불타오르네.
Yixing has the power to heal.
Ishing
Has
has
the power.